Hi, welcome to this AutoCAD Basics series. In this video, we're going to learn about the draw commands inside of AutoCAD application. We're going to take about the line, the polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, polygon, ellipse, hatch, gradient, and the boundary drawing commands. So as you can see in this side, it is located the different drawing commands, the basic drawing commands. So first in the line, we have the line. We have the polyline, the circle, and the different ways in drawing the circle. Next to that is the arc, the different ways in drawing the arcs. In this right corner here, we have the rectangular tool. So if we're going to click and hover the drop down menu, we are going to locate the rectangle and the polygon tool. Next to that is the ellipse tool. So there are three ways in drawing ellipses. So first is the center, the axis, end, and the elliptical arc. Lastly, we have the fill or the gradient tool. We have the hatch, the gradient, and the boundary drawing command. On the next part of this video tutorials, we're going to use and create the different objects using the different drawing commands in AutoCAD. So see you on the next video series.